major political storm has erupted in the United States after a rare statement from the Supreme Court's Chief Justice.
Big news out of the Supreme Court. The Chief Justice of the United States of America just issued a rare statement on President Trump's call to impeach the judge.
And here the Chief Justice writes, "For more than 2 centuries, it has been established that impeachment is not an appropriate response to disagreement concerning a judicial decision. The normal appellate review process exists for that purpose."
The time, 12:53. The first Trump supporters reach the barricades set up in front of the Capitol, demanding to be let through. A handful of cops make a brave stand, trying to hold the line, but the angry mob overwhelms them.
We to a degree saw some of this coming, with the justices already suggesting presidents need some immunity. So how does this now play out going forward?
Well, this is in no short sense, a big win for Donald Trump. It means delay. We already knew that a trial on these charges would be unlikely before the presidential election. Now it's all but impossible based on today's decision. And I want to just quote for you, it's from the dissent here. "This is a Supreme Court that is sharply divided on this issue along ideological lines. This was a 6-3 decision. The conservatives issuing that decision that Terry just outlined. The liberals in this case dissenting very, very sharply in stark language. In fact, Justice Sonia Sotomayor said today that the court gives Donald Trump all the immunity that he asked for and more. She accuses the court of an atextual, ahistorical, and unjustifiable immunity test that, in her view, puts the president above.
John Roberts, he made it clear that judges should not be impeached simply because someone disagreed with their ruling. The statement came after Donald Trump harshly criticized a federal judge and demanding that the judge be removed from the office. Chief Justice Roberts said that for more than 2 centuries, the American legal system has followed the principle that disagreement with the court decision should be handled through the appeals process, not through impeachment. The Washington, D.C., in which many viewed this statement as highly significant because Supreme Court justices rarely speak publicly about political controversies. At the same time, Trump appeared furious over the situation, while his supporters continued protesting and creating tension around the Capitol. Social media has also exploded with reaction, and the political atmosphere in the United States is becoming increasingly heated. According to analysis, the recent Supreme Court decision may have given Trump temporary legal relief, but it also exposed deep division within the court itself. Some justices strongly disagreed with the ruling and warned that giving president too much immunity could place them above the law. Now the big question is what happened next? Political pressure in Washington is rising rapidly. Congress has already started debating the issue with Donald Trump, urging that no one should be above the law, even a former president. Meanwhile, Trump supporters continue calling the investigations politically motivated. One thing is clear: the United States is standing at a very tense political moment, and the conflict between the Supreme Court's Congress and Trump could intensify even further in the coming days. The outcome of his legal and political battle may not only shape Donald Trump's future but could also leave a lasting impact on American politics for years to come. Thanks for watching. If you are new or daily news channel, please like this video and also subscribe our daily news channel. Thanks for watching.